The government should consider investing more in power transmission infrastructure to reduce electricity costs. Janus Continental Group CEO Rikin Shah says high system losses is affecting investment in the electricity value chain.
The National Treasury has in this year's budget proposed a raft of measures aimed at managing the debt owed by Kenya Power. Among the proposals, the utility company is to transfer its transmission lines and assets to Kenya Electricity Transmission Company.
The government will implement a 4-point action plan focusing on first, transfer of all transmission asset/stroke lines to Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, KETRACO. Second, the government will settle outstanding rural electrification schemes, RES operations and maintenance costs, which has a deficit of 19.4 billion.
Janus Continental Group believes there is need to maintain and improve power transmission infrastructure to minimize electricity system losses. Currently, electricity system losses in Kenya is 23.9% against a recommended 10%. Kenya Power has been tasked with reducing system losses to 16% by the next revision of electricity tariffs in 3 years.
Transmission losses is the biggest problem for a lot of countries. I mean, if you think about Kenya, which is doing very well, generally speaking, but still has a transmission losses of more than 20%.
Janus Continental Group is seeking to construct a renewable plant in the country, which will be the firm's 4th plant in the continent.
We've set a goal for ourselves to achieve more than 750 megawatts of power generation in next 5 to 7 years.
Janus Continental Group believes Africa has a renewable energy financing deficit of $700 billion that it says can be plugged through innovative financing models.
What would it mean in terms of funding? You would need more than $700 billion of funding to achieve that number of 300 plus gigawatts.
Benson Ruba reporting for Lunchtime News.